7 engaging hobbies to stay active during retirement. Retirement is the perfect time to explore new passions and activities. Staying active during this phase is essential for maintaining both physical and mental well-being. Consider these 7 engaging hobbies to stay active during retirement years. Gardening. Gardening is a great way to stay connected with nature while keeping active. Tending to plants maintains mobility and strength. You can enjoy the fresh air, improve your mental health, and feel rewarded as you nurture the plants to life. Walking groups. Joining a walking group combines the benefits of exercise with the joy of social interaction. Walking is a low-impact activity suitable for all fitness levels and ages. Plus, it keeps your cardiovascular system in good shape. Additionally, being part of a group provides motivation and a sense of community. Many local parks, recreation centers, and retirement communities offer organized walking programs. Yoga. Practicing yoga promotes flexibility, balance, and mental tranquility. The activity supports joint health, reduces the risk of falls, and encourages mindfulness. Plus, many fitness centers offer classes specifically designed for seniors. Golfing. If you're looking for some friendly competition, golf is a great sport. The sport promotes a moderate level of cardiovascular exercise, balance, coordination, and socialization. Overall, golfing is a great way to stay active, socialize, and enjoy the serenity of the outdoors. Volunteering. Volunteering is a meaningful way to gain social opportunities while giving back to your community. Whether you choose to volunteer at a local school, animal shelter, or hospital, the act of helping others creates a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Cooking classes. Participating in cooking classes is fun and beneficial for your health. You'll uncover new recipes, cooking techniques, and nutritional tips. Art classes. One feature retirees love is a location that offers various art classes. Painting, pottery, and photography are a few examples of local classes you can find in your community. Engaging in various hobbies can provide you with a fulfilling and active retirement lifestyle. Discovering which hobbies pique your interest is a step in the right direction. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors, honing your creative skills, or connecting with your community, these hobbies can enrich your life and help you make the most of your retirement.